Santa's not here.
Yeah. Behind a tree.
What do you eat the cookie? Merry Christmas, baby Axel. Hi, buddy. Merry Christmas. Santa came and brought you presents. Yeah, Santa came and brought you presents. Whoa, cool. Santa's elves made you a car. Hi.
That's Hudson. That's Hudson. Why does it's waiting to rain. It's waiting to rain. My talent
Say thank you, Santa.
Santa.
Yeah. We'll send a video to Santa because he's back at the North Pole now. And he won't come again until next year, so we'll send him a video and say thank you. Say thank you for the cars.
Thank you for the house.
Thank you for the cars. Hey, Axel.
Hi. Hello. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. From my favorite store, Bodie. This is from Nordstrom. What do you think it is? I have no idea. Angel.
Bodie.
Angel.
Do you think it's a big car for now?
You had more presents. Didn't he open all of his?
Bodie, what are you eating?
Show Daddy.
Bodie,
Bodie, show Daddy what you're eating.
what are you eating?
Daddy, look.
What are you eating?
Look at that.